يكونوا بزاف. This is really crazy, friends. I don't know if you remember these, but there was really a waterfall there, and yeah, that was really so funny. And I miss this place because I visited it before, but we're gonna make another video again when it's gonna rain, you know? Yeah. أي أمان أخلي خارج.
الله يعطيك نعمة.
Yeah.
واو زوينة.
لا ما زويناش، طبعا الحال زوينة كالخا الأخرى. They may fire their friends like yours. ما عامرش شي هادشي اللي كيكون عام
بزاف. راه غير واقيلا الشتا اللي طاحت البارح هي اللي عمرها شوية.
شو هاد كيصوني عليا برعاية أولى. Oh my god, this is really crazy. There is nothing more beautiful than these. And I'm gonna see it. I'm gonna fall, I know.
والله تطيح بوحدك.
وياه غير خليها الله. أما
عندك.
آسي يا مان. Can you see that?
واو.
This is really crazy, friend. Oh my god. You know, winter is coming back, so that's why everything here is really so beautiful. So it's really, I like it. Did you like it too? Yeah. Where are you going? غدا.
واو.
Oh my god! Wow! Okay, I'm gonna make it really close. Oh yeah. No touch, please. Oh my god, this is really crazy. You know that I want to live a life here, really, because really, it's really too amazing and beautiful weather, and also the wine looks really amazing. She said that she's opening this ground to make the water going down, and I think she's right. I like her, but you mix it, you know.
نحيدو باش يدزلو.
Okay, let's go. Ah! Let's make it that way. Oh! خجيخ.
وحي بالك سوا تحيد انا وما لا.
شكون؟
شي واحد.
Look what she's talking about. She said that someone, I don't know how to explain that. Fuck off. I just forget my language. Anyway. It's not something big deal, so just not explain it. Yeah. Oh no. Whoa. That's crazy. Like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're not yet. اوكي ضربونا بالبلوط. Oh, crazy. So as you're seeing, friends, here we're gonna make the fire. And anyway, I didn't say the introduction, so let's gonna say our introduction. So hi friends, and welcome back to the channel, or we can say hi Serenity guys, and welcome back to the channel. And if you are new, then welcome with you in our channel, which we upload each 2 days, or we can say when it's really the time and it's helping us the time. We're uploading each 2 days in our YouTube channel. So if you're new, just subscribe to the channel and follow us and follow me in my little adventures. So yeah, today we're gonna make the fire outdoor cooking. Actually, we're gonna make an outdoor cooking, and we're gonna make a 2 cup of tea of hot chocolates. We can say hot chocolate. I don't know what they say, but you gonna say that. And also, I'm here with my cousins. Say hi.
Hi.
Thank you so much. She didn't anyway. So yeah, we're gonna make the fire, the outdoor fire, and so many things, and we're gonna chill, we're gonna have fun. So let's go. So as I can see, friends, it's really a bit blind. These fucking. So yeah, now we're gonna make a later Stranger Things. So yeah, I'm gonna prepare what I'm gonna cook, and after that, we're gonna sit each together. Okay, let's go. And this is my fucking cousin. She's only with the phone. Oh. I don't know. I don't know. Ah.
ما ديريش احمد هكا شويه. وين هو احمد انا ما بغيتش. ولا هو احمد انا غنك احمد راه الجبده كيضلا.
وانا ما ريد لا.
عندك
I like it. Really, I like it when it's really going down. That way then. So, like you're saying here, friends, we have these, as you're saying here, and this is actually the fishes. For a second, I just forget what they call it in English, and yeah, this is fishes and this is spices. Just only because, as like you're saying, it's already spiced because my mom did that, and just like here we have salt and also what they call it, fulful aswad. I don't know. I just forget the name, but I'm gonna put the name here in English, and the oil. So yeah. We need to watch our hands. That's it. So, this is a life, friends. What we want more? The fire. Oh my god. That wasn't good actually, but yeah, it's gonna be really so hot. Just skip it. Anyway. Why are you so happy? Why are you laughing? Anyway, this is really chilling, good chilling. And we have got a spoon here. This is our asses. Get out here.
خدم التركي هذا وغادي نعيط على ديزاين سبيكتور غدا غادي يلقاو لنا حل ويطيرونا من هنا.
Oh my gosh, fuck off. Why are you saying that for? Anyway, that was really so funny. And yeah, we put the fishes being cooking right now. أما نغدر بينا بكوبي رايت زعما نقصيتي شوية.
يلا ها يلا هضر.
Thank you so much. That was a respect from you. So yeah, this is really chilling, good chilling actually, because I love it. And what we want more? What more? And by the way, I'm saying that. Really, look at these. Why didn't you subscribe? Why? Just like tell me, why didn't you subscribe? Just only a few from you subscribe it, and the other, what are you waiting for? Just like go. Subscribe right now. Make sure to subscribe with my channel. ابوني وصاحبي ايوا نبقاو نعاودوا عليكم اصاحبي ابوني وصاحبي نكبروا لاشين ديالنا حتى حنا نوليو مشهورين تمام يدين مشهورين. So yeah, this is really amazing. You know what's he? You know what's her name? What her name is Aman. And Aman, what his name is a name in Tamazirt, okay? And it's mean water. Give me water, please.
Give me water. Give me water, please. Please water.
She's only laughing.
راه قلنا لك هاد الحجره هادي راه ما مقداش
حتى كنجي كنجلس على
عاد كتشد التوازن.
That's crazy. Okay, so friends, I'm gonna show you right now something.
محمد.
So let's go and I'm gonna show you something really crazy. Look at these boats. This boat next to the water, next to the waterfall. What we want more from, what we want more from life. And we have our best friend, as like you're saying, he's there. Did you see that? He's really so amazing. Yeah, what we want more. What we want more than this. Let's check out what is there. Funny. It's really crazy. I really like that. I really like it. I don't know why I like it, but I like it. And also, as like you're saying, we have here things like this. See? It's really crazy. I like it. I don't know what they call it. مع حتى بالعربية شنو يقولوا لها مي تتغمم ومغممت. But this in English, I think. And I don't know what is they call it. No, not English. In Tamazirt language, and I don't know in Arabic what they call it. Even in Darija, even in English. But I'm gonna search about it. This is a new information, so I need to learn about it. But yeah, this is our view. Look, crazy. This is really so sick. Yeah. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. What we want more. Just tell me what we want more. I really, friends, want to bring you to this life. And I hope one day I will, because really, it's gonna be awesome. He's only laughing. And I don't know why. I don't know why. Man, fuck her. You know what she was eating right now? These. She was eating these. And these we made it for the cup of tea. Cup of hot chocolate. And we have also milk here. So I'm gonna show you when I'm gonna prepare it. Yeah, let's go. You're not real, really. You're not real. Cause this is really not. Man! Fuck you! Fuck. عماني الدخان. امان
واو.
طيب
ينشف ينشف
لايك
ينشف.
غنهر 16 هنا fuck you get out of me
عقل علينا باش خالتي فاطمه بس
وين جاكيتي
نشوف واش غنجيب بحال
حطي جاكيتي
نشوف واش غنجيب بحال محمد.
I don't know what to say right now because this is really too annoying. I'm gonna regret because I bring it with me. You look right now like Sidernity. Crazy.
You pick up your palette knife and then work that into your meat. Give your meat a good old rub. That's it. Nice and hot. Hot and spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
So we have these friends, as like you're saying here, and yeah, and the music later, and this, if you remember it actually, and yeah, and let's go on here, and we have our this, yeah. كمان كتبت لك هنا.
ايوا محمد ايوا محمد.
So after we put the milk, put this.
محمد كثرت لي الشكلاط.
عيشة قولي لها بابا انا فاش كان خدام
كنشوش
الله ينزل عليك النعلة. درتي باش تعرفي با كنشوشتي بعدا كنتي عايشة معانا انتي كنتي.
What the hell is that? What's going on with you? We should put the trash. I feel Sigma and But first of all, I'm gonna show you something. This is how they look like, you know? So yeah. When you gonna put this? I feel Sigma and
Ow.
and then we're mixing it. This is how it looks like when we mix it. شتي وسيري بحالك عليا.
انا
Hello.
واو
Oh my god! Wow!
like you're saying. I need water because this is really amazing. The last time actually I did it with the I mixed it only with the water and the chocolate, but for now we have milk and the chocolate and the hot water because the water was boiling while we were eating our food. And yeah, now after it's boiled, we're mixing it by the hot chocolate and also the milk. Yeah, it's really smelling good and tasting good, as you hear my friend. Yeah. This is really great. Great. Hello. We only need some. Let's. Cheers, fam. What do you say? Like, cheers.
غادي الخدمه التركي هذا وغادي نعيط على ديزان سبيكتور غدا غادي يلقاو لنا حل وطيرونا من هنا.
Check out land. كنحس بالباور. I feel power. Banana. I feel power. Banana. Just little. You know what I remember, friends? Like, because yesterday I was talking to a girl. She's for my fans actually, and she was really so pretty kind. And yeah, she was talking about we were talking about some topics from the input. Why? I forget just what we were talking about, but I will show you a conversation here what we were talking about. And she was really so nice to me, and I'm gonna put her Instagram here. And yeah, she was really so kind, you know, just like she was smart, and she loved reading. She loved so many things. And also she got some types like me when I'm talking, and she's little smart even if she's just 17, but she was really so smart for me. And it was really like, you know, like I was talking before I know her age, before I got to know her age. She was really, I was thinking that she's like maybe 20 or 21, but when she said I am like 17, I was really like, wow. I was like really in a shock, because a little like we see in this world right now, and especially in Morocco, I haven't met a girl like her, because she was really smart, kind, and just like it was really so peaceful to talk to her. And yeah, I want to mention that. And yeah, what I want to say other is like always I'm saying it in my last videos, because this is my last part of my video. السعي من أجل المعرفة. السعي من أجل المعرفة واحد شيء كبير اللي خاص أي واحد يتعلمه. راه دابا أغلبية were saying that they only depends about the technology, or we can say the chat GPT, or we can say the AI in general. We say AI. So when he want to learn an information, he's going to the AI. He ask it, or maybe he got an exercises. He's going only to the AI. That's not actually good, because you're not going to learn anything. And by the way, that kind of topic. That was our topic yesterday with the girl, and yeah, like because really she's smart, and yeah, I mentioned that because. البنادم خاصو يسعى من اجل المعرفه في هذه الحياه. ربي خلق لينا عقولنا، خلق لك واحد العقل، عطاك واحد التفكير تخدم به، ماشي غتعول على واحد الاي اي اللي اصلا هيومن اللي اختاروا. يعني كيبقى بنادم اللي اختار هذاك الاي اي وكذا. يعني انت صافي تهنيتي فاكا. Anyway, sorry for that. خاص فهمتيني تبحث على المعرفه انت راسك مثلا غترجم شي كلمه ولا اي لعبه كيما كانت غتبحث على شي معلومه عندك شي توبيك عندك شي موضوع تخدم عليه anyway just like for schools راه ماشي شوف راه سكول كتبقى المدرسه واحد ما غنطرقوش لهذا الشيء ولكن المدرسه راه ماشي تقول راه صافي راه ما غتعلمني المدرسه حتى شي حاجه ولا شي لعبه لا قرا شد الباك ديالك اللعيبات ديالك مي ماشي غتعول غير على القرايه راه ما يعلموكش كلشي اصاحبي في الاساسي راه ما كيبقاوش كيعلموا كلشي راه هما كيخدموا واحد المنهجيه صافي انه غيعلمك شي حوايج كيفاش تقرا الحروف كيفاش تجمع الحروف كذا اللعيبات كذا هذا يبقاو داك الشيء غير سيمبل جاست لايك سطحي فهمتيني يعني انت غتعلم بغيتي تعلم راسك فهمتيني راه التعلم هو تعلم الذات انا غنمشي غنبحث على واحد الحاجه على واحد البلان كذا هذا قرا الفلسفه فيلوسوفي كذا learn many language because we need it in this world and yeah that's life هذه المهم كاين بزاف هذا الموضوع نطرقوا عليه مره اخرى ان شاء الله في شي فيديو اخر المهم just simple سعي من اجل المعرفه هي احسن حاجه يكون العنوان ديال هذا الفيديو سعي من اجل المعرفه yeah that's kind of you know good things صافي ساليتي بالروج ولا فاكر في هذاك الشفتين باليز هذه على جاكيت I'm gonna put these here a little because it's really getting cold. Yeah, it's really, you know, what's time now? It's 7:50 p.m. and yeah, we got her back to home. She's putting that هذوك ديال العافيه واحد اللعيبه دوك الحديدات اللي جبتي لحتى تماك. So yeah, we're going friends and see you in another video and I hope you like it. Do subscribe to the channel if you're not yet and welcome if you're new in my little adventures and yeah, great. Take care. See you in another video.